Hey, good morning from Top End RV Park. This is Mike. Hey, just doing a little spring cleaning around here. Probably some long overdue spring cleaning. You can tell by the looks of the yucca plants there that I've been trimming on them a little bit, and tell by the looks of these over here how far they had got out of control, and decided this year I think I better take care of some stuff on that. So if you got some better tips on how to thin out yucca plants, let me know. What I've been doing is all the ones that are dragging on the ground and kind of look dead and a little ugly, I've been pulling them out and getting rid of them. So they're getting ready to bloom. Look at that. It's gonna be real pretty here in just a little bit. I got another one on the back side doing the same thing. So without further ado, we'll set the camera down over here and video for a little while I pull on some yucca plants. So y'all, welcome aboard and hope you have a great blessed day. So here we go. Make sure you wear gloves. Right, let me kind of give you my perspective of it from down here. Kind of see what I'm looking at. So all those really long ones, of course I've got most of them already pulled out. Like those right there, this one right here, they just pretty much come out pretty easy sometimes. If you do them right, those that I can't get to or don't want to come out very easily, I just have my little snippers and snip them off. So anyway, just about done here. I've got a few more on the other side to do. So anyway, we all have a great day today and be blessed, and check it, brother. See ya.